It's summertime, and Power Evangelism Ministries presents Sound of Heaven Summer Camp and Retreat 2022. This is a life-changing experience in camp that will empower your life, get you on fire for God, and have some fun while you're doing it. July 26th through the 30th at the Crossing Retreat in Lexington, Nebraska. Register today for all youth and young adults. You're all welcome. Come. Don't miss it. Call today for more information and register at powerevangelism.net events page or call 561-337-9018. End your summer with a blast at Camp 2022. Don't miss it.